Imagine a world where bricks are not just bricks but marvels of modern engineering. Yes, you heard it right. These bricks, my friend, are no ordinary building blocks. They are the brainchild of a genius, a stroke of brilliance that defies convention. Picture this, a stack of bricks so resilient, not even the mighty force of a bulldozer can budge them an inch. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But here's the kicker, these bricks are made from plastic waste. That's right, 90% of these seemingly indestructible bricks come from recycled plastic. But wait, it gets even better. Not only do these miracle bricks solve the age-old problem of skyrocketing housing prices, but they also tackle the ever-growing issue of garbage recycling. Talk about killing two birds with one stone. Who's behind this revolutionary invention, you ask? None other than the Canadian company Plaex. And the process to make these bricks? Surprisingly simple. Just toss collected plastic into a crusher, grind it into small pieces, heat them until they become sticky substances, mix in some concrete, pour the mixture into special molds, and voila! You've got yourself a batch of eco-friendly, virtually indestructible bricks. But here's where it gets really mind-blowing. These bricks function like Lego pieces, making them incredibly easy to handle and assemble. No tools required, just your bare hands. Imagine building your dream house like a giant, real-life Lego set. And don't let their lightweight fool you. Each brick weighs a mere 5 pounds but packs a punch, being over 3 times sturdier than traditional bricks. So, would you trust these marvels to build your future home? It's a question worth pondering in this age of innovation and sustainability.